Good morning students, welcome back to our online classes. Now I discuss about MLT for second years, okay? Pathology, paper 3 for exam. Telangana students 17th have exam, yes. Okay, I discuss about long answers, important and gunshot questions, okay? Very important question. What is the question? Discuss ABO blood group system and RH blood group system. Okay, ABO blood group system. There are about 300 blood group systems. Okay, 300 blood group systems. Out of them, ABO and RH system are significant. ABO blood grouping system was discovered by Karl Landsteiner. Who is discovered? Karl Landsteiner of Vienna in Australia in 1900. Okay, 1900. Okay, Moss published his own work in 1910 in America, and Landsteiner's independent discovery had been accepted by the scientific world, and he was awarded Nobel Prize. He awarded Nobel Prize in 1930. Landsteiner described A, B, and O groups. Alfred von Dicastel and Adreno Struell discovered the fourth group AB in 1902. Okay. Landsteiner's law. What is Landsteiner's law? Landsteiner's law states that if a particular antigen is present in the RBCs, corresponding antibody must be absent in the serum. Okay, when antigen is present in RBC, corresponding antibody must be absent in the serum. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే యాంటీజెన్ ప్రజెంట్ అవుతుందో ఆ యాంటీబాడీ అనేది ఆబ్సెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ యాంటీజెన్ ఈజ్ ఆబ్సెంట్ ఇన్ ఆర్బీసీస్, కరస్పాండింగ్ యాంటీబాడీ మస్ట్ బి ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ ద సీరం. సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద లా ఈజ్ నాట్ అప్లికేబుల్ టు RH ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఏ పర్టికులర్ యాంటీజెన్ ఈజ్ ఆబ్సెంట్, ఒకవేళ యాంటీజెన్ అనేది ఆబ్సెంట్ అయితే ఆర్బీసీస్లో, ఇక్కడ యాంటీబాడీ అనేది సిరంలో ప్రజెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అసలు గ్రూప్స్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద గ్రూప్స్? ఏ గ్రూప్, బి గ్రూప్, ఏబి గ్రూప్, ఓ గ్రూప్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ డిస్కస్ ఏ గ్రూప్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఏ గ్రూప్? బ్లడ్ హ్యావింగ్ యాంటీజెన్ A and B. A group having A and B antibody in its serum is A group blood. A group has two subgroups. What they? A1 and A2. Okay. B group blood having antigen B and A antibody in its serum is B group blood. Okay. B group blood having antigen B and A antibody in its serum is B group blood. AB group blood having both A and B antigens and no antibodies in its serum. Okay, antibodies are absent in the serum. AB group blood subgroups are A1 B and A2 B. Okay, subgroups are the A1 B and A2 B. Okay, so okay, now we will see O group. Okay, blood having no antigens and A and B antibodies in its serum is O group blood. RH factor is an antigen present in RBC. Okay, RH factor is an antigen present in RBC. It was discovered by Karl Landsteiner and Weiner. Okay, since it was first discovered in rhesus monkey, it is named rhesus factor. Blood can be grouped into two categories depending on the presence or absence of is factor. Okay, what is the RH positive, RH negative? RH positive blood contains antigen D. 80% of Indian people are RH positive. Okay, 80% of people have RH positive. RH negative blood does not contain antigen D. Not contain antigen D. 15% of people RH negative. Okay, 15% of people are RH negative. Okay, this is the blood grouping. This is an important questions for exam. Okay, all the best.